Shop for groceries, pet supplies, and household items once a week. You may be worried about getting the food and supplies you need to take care of your family. Fortunately, grocery stores are staying open and restocking often, so you'll be able to get items for your family. Send one person from your household shopping each week to get what you need. It's best to send just one person to the store so that it's easy for everyone at the store to practice social distancing. Stay in contact with your friends and family via calls and text. You're likely spending most of your time at home to limit the spread of the coronavirus, and you probably miss your loved ones. Keep in touch with them by calling and texting them often. Additionally, use video chat services to connect with your friends and family virtually. Make a date for a video chat with someone you care about so you can look forward to it all day. Video chat services like FaceTime, Skype, and Facebook Messenger make it convenient to stay in touch. Enjoy the great outdoors, but stay 6 feet, 1.8 m, away from others. While it's best to stay home as much as possible, you don't have to stay alone in your home. Instead, go outside at least once a day if you aren't in quarantine or sick. Pick areas that are less populated, however, since you need to distance yourself from others. Here are some things you might do. Enjoy a coffee or a drink on your porch, patio, or a chair outside your front door. Go for a long walk or hike. Collect leaves or flowers. Take pictures of nature. Watch the sunrise or sunset. Limit how often you check for news updates to once or twice a day. While it's important to stay informed, you might get overwhelmed if you read or watch the news too often. It's good to take mental breaks from thinking about the coronavirus outbreak. Make a habit of checking for news once in the morning and once in the evening. Read or watch the local news to find out what's happening near you. For updates about the coronavirus pandemic, check the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, or World Health Organization, WHO, website. Talk to a therapist if you're having trouble coping. You may be really struggling right now, and that's okay. A therapist can help you work through your emotions and change your thinking patterns so you can feel better. Call your current therapist, ask your doctor to get a referral to a therapist if you don't have one, or look for a therapist online. You might also try an online therapy service like Talkspace or BetterHelp. If you're having trouble finding a therapist, talking to a friend, mentor, or religious leader may also help.